Hey, it's MAPS coach Holly Haas coming at you with this week's MAPS coaching tip of the week. Today's coaching tip is for everyone who has a team or who may like to have a team in the future and who really wants to build that great team culture. The tip is use the CASH talk. CASH, K-A-S-H, is an acronym that stands for knowledge, attitude, skills, and habits. To find the CASH talk, just Google it. Again, K-A-S-H. What you'll find is a worksheet with 6 powerful questions. It's a model for the one-on-one meetings you have with your team members to really help focus the time that you spend together. The CASH talk is a great way to jumpstart a new relationship with a new person you're adding to your team, or it can be a great way to help get you on the same page with current team members. Here's the format. It's one-on-one. You ask the questions live. Your team member answers. You take notes and dig deeper as needed. Pretty simple, right? Here's the purpose. 1, it gets you on the same page every single week with your team member. 2, it's a safe space for your team members to ask you for help. 3, it's a way to track growth if you were to fill this out consistently over time. And 4, it creates a safe space for you to address areas of concerns that you see with members of your team. Here's just a couple of questions from the CASH talk. 1 is, what changes have taken place in terms of your knowledge? What do you believe you still need to learn about to succeed in this job? Here's another. What changes have taken place this week in terms of your attitude? What things gave you the most energy and made you feel the most fulfilled this week? What kinds of attitudes and beliefs do you believe are necessary for success in this job? And here's one more. What are you learning are the habits of someone who's a really high performer in this role? These are gold, right? I mean, imagine what you could learn if you asked your team members these questions on a regular basis. And imagine how they would feel if you took the time to ask these questions of them. So go out there and create that great team culture by having a CASH talk with your team. Thanks.